Hello everybody, na peru Anagha and I'm coming from Bhimavaram and I'm studying 4th class in Delhi Public School. Actually, I started attending uncle's classes from almost 1 week and I'm seriously loving them. They're so fun, and also uncle takes everything very spontaneous. He does everything in a way that everyone can do it, and he's always so funny. He makes me laugh. And the main thing I am attending uncle's classes are, I love business from when I was small. So uncle's classes are making my business mind improve. And uncle is seriously inspiring me a lot. I am speechless about his classes. I just love them. Thank you.